Raining Money app. Hydro question. Do you owe your parents? A. Yes. They brought you into this world and can take you out. B. Yes. They sacrificed their life and all their money for you. C. No. Your parents chose to have you for their own enjoyment. Or D. No. With due respect, children are to be cherished and guilt-free. Get our free app and get a bucket for the cash. New questions every 30 minutes. Skip on over to rainingmoney.com or be social with us at rainingmoney.com. Raining Money app is brought to you by AppLemon. To know is not enough. You must apply.